and advance happy birthday.
Hi guys, this is Koi Samson. Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, this is Koi Thompson. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, meron tayong na sa Bisaya, na sa Tagalog guys, ang mugon guys. Meron tayong aasarin, meron tayong gagalitin. Kapatid ko. Kakagising ko lang kasi galing kami ng church kanina at after lunch natulog ako. Tapos ngayon it's already like 6 p.m. So, marami akong energy para magalit ng ano may ang sungog na yan? Mang-asar ng mga kapatid. Yay! So, guys, samahan niyo ako. Aasarin natin yung kapatid ko. Nasa kwarto nila. Kasama siya ng asawa niyang buntis. Ngayon. Bantay sila sa akin. Ano yung bantay? Bantay na ako. Ganyan ba sa Bisaya? Sa Tagalog, humanda kayo sa akin. Sis. Sure? Patutulog guys. Kadungog kustingo ka na guys. Sige katawa. Dan karon katlag katog. Ow. Patutulog. Tanawa. Pinartista pa. Uy. Sa? Ay, kurusig sa mo kayo. Nag-gisi guys. Tanawa guys. Tanawa, gangisi. Uy, tanawa. Mag-hi. Ato tas bukid. Wala na init. Kung ano naman, di naman kayo init. Ano ba? Uy. Maghuwat. Karon. Tanawa. Gawas sana day. Tanawa. Tanawa.
Ayaw, tana lagi ka.
Barog na diya.
Ayaw na lagi kay kapoy kay.
Barog na diya. Barog ka di.
Gawas na kay nakaw.
Gusto yung gawas. Asa ko gawas? Tana ba?
Mag-ilis na ko.
Tana.
Mag-ilis na lagi ko.
Tana ba?
A few moments later.
Hi guys, dahil hindi sasama ang aking bro sa akin, so ako na lang guys, so we will go out there sa aking background ng aking room. So ito yung scenery sa aking bintana sa aking room. So ayan guys, ito po yung view ko outside sa aking bintana. So dyan tayo dadaan, tapos iikot tayo dun mamaya. Kasama ko kayo, tapos mag-shoutout tayo habang naglalakad tayo kasi ano dyan walang tao dyan so, yep. So ayan guys, bago ako mag-hike mamaya, maglalaba muna ako para pagdating ko dito galing hike, tapos na yung nilalabhan ko. Yeah. Kasi it's Sunday and it's my wash day. So muna rin siya guys, wala na siya kanang usangan na, wala na siya lain-lain, itong puti, tanan guys, kay kanan halo-halo na ni tanan, wala na lain-lain. Napamay kuan guys, napamay na yung second batch, kay puro man yung mga shirts, wala pa man din ako mga pants, so halo-halo na siya tanan.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm ready now for my hiking, but I need to fuel myself with some drink. So, inom muna ako ng protein drink before I will go my hiking kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-breakfast. It's a green smoothie actually. So, ito lang yung breakfast ko guys. Pero kakain din ako mamaya ng lunch. I'll be taking myself minutes. So ayun na guys, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. Sa aking neighborhood, walang katao-tao. Grabe ka, kamingaw na neighborhood. Way samok. So, padulong na ta guys, mag-hike ta karon din. Samtang mag-hike ta, magstorya ta dito sa unahan. Igabot dito sa luyog sa mong balay. So, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina guys sa bintana ng aking room. So, ito yung little creek. Anong tawag dito? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Parang maliit na river pero hindi naman yan river. So, ito yung daan. At saka dyan po, yan po ang bahay namin. Yan, that's the house. Yan po ang bahay namin. May window na nakabukas. Yan po yung kwarto ko. While walking guys, I would like to share something. Have you tried guys na parang excited kayo pero hindi nyo alam kung bakit kayo excited? Yung bang feeling nyo na may darating na something good sa buhay mo in the next few days or in the next few weeks. Yun yung nararamdaman ko today. And kung napapanood nyo itong video hanggang dito, I would like to share this positivity to you guys na para bang so much positive. Hindi natin alam kung ano, it could be a good news, it could be healing. Kasi may mga friends akong family friends kaming nagka-COVID. Gusto ko lang marinig na maging okay sila. Yun, masaya na ako dun. Baka yun. Tsaka hindi rin natin alam, baka merong gift na darating sa ating buhay, di ba? So, yun, yung mga positive na yan na nararamdaman ko, gusto ko i-share sa inyo lahat yun. Magiging sa inyo din itong positivity na na-feel ko ngayon. It could be friends' achievement. Alam mo yung masaya ka pag narinig mo yung friends mo na meron siyang achievement. Meron siyang like nakapagawa siya ng bahay or nakapagtapos siya ng pag-aaral or meron siyang something good in his and her life na i-share niya sa'yo. At saka yun, mafe-feel mo yun mafe-feel mo yung sayang yun kasi masaya yung friends mo. Be a good news from your family members. Like, may parating sa kanila na good news. Yung mga ganun. So, yeah, yun yung nafe-feel ko today while waking up. Feel so blessed na nandiyan kayo sumuporta sa akin, yung mga subscribers ko, at saka yung mga supporters ko, at saka yung mga sponsors ko. So, hinihingal ako guys. So, pahinga muna tayo dito. Shoutout ko pala lahat ng mga sponsors ko. Yung mga my badge holders sa aking Kois Dobbs YouTube Community Global. Shoutout ko si Miss Tatsky Taylor. Thank you so much. She's from Texas, from Houston, Texas. Shoutout ko si Miss Dorothy Joy Daya. Thank you so much, Joy, for always being so active and supporting me. She is from Singapore. Also, I would like to say thank you to Robert Hinampas. He is so active in supporting me. Also, he's a badge holder in my YouTube community. He is from Kandihay, Bohol. And I would like to shout out Miss Pumpum or Kiwi Pino Vlog. She is supporting me, guys, from the first, and now she is also a badge holder in my community. She is from Australia. And also, I would like to thank Michelle Adriel. She is also a community badge holder, and she is from Kuwait. Guys, thank you so much for supporting Kois Dobbs in my community. Pag aabot tayo ng 10 badge holders, guys, doon natin sisimulan ang ating how do you call this? Feeding program sa Pilipinas. Doon natin sisimulan ang ating ang ating feeding program pag makaabot tayo ng 10 badge holders. So, thank you so much, guys, and I would like to shout out my 2 active admins ng Kois Dobbs Angel, Kalin Dihaiko. Thank you so much for your hard work. I really appreciate for joining me in this journey. And also to Prince Oseas Amit. Thank you so much, Prince. Prince is from Isabel Leyte. And by the way, guys, Kalin is from Lapu-Lapu City. So thank you so much, guys, for being so supportive, and to all my 3,984 subscribers as of the moment. Thank you so much. Malapit na tayo maging 4K, guys. Hopefully this week. Thank you so much for supporting me. And may mga kaibigan tayong bagong mga supporters, guys, na dito sa Santa Cruz. Makikita kami. I forgot her name, but makikita kami. She is also a vlogger, a Bisaya vlogger from Santa Cruz. Her name is Jenny, guys. Dinerch ko muna. Her name is Jenny, and she has a YouTube channel, Self in Progress, something like that. So makikita kami soon, magko-collab kami soon. And also, I would like to thank everybody for watching my videos and sharing my videos. Thank you so much. I would like to shout out my friend, and he's also my brother, Mr. Jasper Morin. Thank you so much for always supporting me every day, every single day na pag-guide mo sa akin in this YouTube journey. And you are the biggest support. Thank you so much for being there always, and advance happy birthday. I'm not gonna forget to shout out Hanabiar. Thank you so much from the start. Mr. Ryan Nicanor, ang tendero nga guapo. Thank you so much. He's busy right now, but I know he'll watch this video eventually. And then to Roderick Floresca, thank you so much for always sharing my thing in Facebook and in YouTube. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And also my bestie Mercy. Thank you so much, guys. Even if Mercy cannot understand Tagalog or Bisaya, she will still watch my video. Thank you so much, Mercy. See you on Monday. California besties, my work besties, Ira, Art, and the children, the twins. Thank you so much for watching my video, every single video. And also my bestie, Faye. I miss you so much. And so ayun, guys, there's nothing much in this video. It is just showing you my morning Sunday routine, yung kulitan ko sa aking kapatid na gusto kong dalhin sa pag-hike pero ayaw niya. Tsaka naglalaba ako kanina, tsaka may mga pa-shoutout tayo. Before I forgot, I would like to shout out Chloe. Chloe, thank you so much for always promoting my channel. So Chloe is also a big help for my channel. Thank you so much. So I think this is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in my late Saturday afternoon and early morning Sunday routine video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and click the button below. Thank you so much. Bye.